this project is a mixed media project, and there's this mixed media challenge in which I'm participating, and the idea, uh, actually I have to follow a mood board, and there are color palette like a yellow, then pink, then fuchsia pink, then gray, and the last color is turquoise. For the base, I have taken this old packaging. Actually, it had some wooden letters and numbers. So I've taken out the content, and now I'm left with this packaging. So I'm going to use this for mixed media. According to the color palette, I had these three colors available in turquoise, mixed media products basically. And to go with this, I have also chosen some paper cutouts, which has a little bit of turquoise color in it. So I'm going to use these three cutouts and paste them into the box. So the next color is gray in the color palette, and I have this cadence wax, finger wax I guess. Yeah, it's a finger wax. So I'm going to use this for the gray color, and along with this I'm going to use the gray color paper cutouts. So for dark pink, I found this is again from Cadence. It's water-based finger wax, and to go with this color I have these pattern papers. So these three, I've chosen the pattern to go with this one. Viva Decor's Inca Gold, which is again wax, water-based wax. So और ये कुछ cutouts in paper cutout, same color के. Now for the last color, I have taken yellow. I mean, it's in the color palette only. So for yellow, I had this Cadence 3D cream effect paste and the paper cutouts. I'm going to use these three. So now the theme is 2020, and it's about new beginning. So I'm going to put base as white. So I'm going to apply the coat of gesso, 2 layers of gesso, and come back. I completely forgot about the big squares. For these big squares, I'm going to use this wooden design pattern paper. So I have completed with the second layer of gesso, and now I'm going to stick those pattern pieces, pattern paper. So let me start with the yellow first. Now I'm using my favorite hue glue. It's an all-purpose adhesive. So as you can see, all of my papers are in the box now. The next step is to apply the mixed media mediums on the borders of the squares. So as you can see, I have applied this the 3D cream. The next one is baby pink. For that I have chosen Viva Decor Inca Gold baby pink color. So we would be doing the other borders as well, following the color palette. Pattern papers and the borders are done, and now is the fun part to embellish the base, where I have used different embellishments from different brands. Now the last step is to add a photo mat where you can place your photo, and your shadow box is ready. Now I'm sharing a close-up glimpse of the shadow box, and I really hope that you enjoyed the tutorial and liked watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel because there's more to come. I'm going to share more tricks, tips and tutorials in coming videos. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you.